Hello guys, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. So as the pandemic situation is happening all around the world, we are here to make your quarantine as productive as possible. In today's video, we are having a tutorial of how to make a laser security gate using laser diode and LDR sensor. So without wasting any further ado, let's jump into the video. Before starting guys, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do it to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. In this circuit, we'll be using an Arduino Nano, a breadboard, a laser diode which is on the level of the breadboard, some jumper wires, two 10k ohm resistors, 4 LEDs, one tactile switch, one LDR sensor and some 220 ohm resistors. First we connect the LDR sensor on the level of the laser diode. It is non-polar device so does not have a positive or a negative. One terminal of the LDR sensor is connected to the 5 volts pin of the Arduino. Other terminal of the LDR sensor is connected to the resistor. And other terminal of the same resistor is connected with the negative of the circuit. Connected terminal of the LDR sensor and the resistor is connected to the A0 pin of Arduino. The second terminal of the resistor is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Now it's time to connect the buzzer. Long leg is the positive and the short leg is the negative. Negative of the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Positive of the buzzer is connected to the D9 pin of Arduino. Moreover, connect the LED. Long leg of the LED is the positive and the short leg of the LED is the negative. Connect all 4 LEDs to the breadboard. Connect all 220 ohm resistors to the negative of the LED. Another terminal of the resistor is connected to the negative of the circuit. Positive of the green LED is connected to the D5 pin of Arduino. Positive of the red LED is connected to the D4 pin of the Arduino. Positive of the yellow LED is connected to the D8 pin of the Arduino. And the positive of the white LED is connected to the D7 pin of Arduino. Furthermore, connect the tactile switch. Tactile switch has 4 pins. We only have to use 2 of them. One pin of the tactile switch is connected to the 5 volts pin of Arduino. Other pin of the tactile switch is connected to the 10 kilo ohm resistor. Other terminal of the 10K resistor is connected to the negative of the circuit. Negative of the circuit is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Connected terminal of the resistor and the tactile switch is connected with the D6 pin of Arduino. Finally, LED diode has two wires, in which the red one is the positive and the blue one is the negative. Negative of the LED diode is connected to the negative of the circuit, and the positive of the LED diode is connected to the V-in pin of the Arduino Nano. This LED diode is placed in front of the LDR sensor. Let's move towards the programming part. In Arduino software, select tools where we select board Arduino Nano and select processor ATmega328P. Also set port at which we connect the cable in our PC or any other device. On top left corner, click compile and run to run the code on Arduino Nano board. We have placed the laser diode at a certain position where the light hits the LDR sensor directly. Precaution: no other light source is in contact with the LDR sensor. Green LED indicates that the circuit is turned off. After clicking on the tactile switch, red LED is on, which means that the circuit is turned on. And after that, anything which tries to pass through the laser diode and the LDR sensor is detected and indicated through the buzzer and the blinking of the LED continuously.
Então.
To turn off the alarm, you need to press the tactile switch again. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe our channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Guys, also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video shortly. Bye bye. Peace out.